Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and review the Greek and Rome compare and contrast activity you did yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and leave this slide in your group of slides though, just to remind you what it means to compare and contrast and the Venn diagram that we would use. Okay, so right here is where the video that I'm making right now will be. Okay, and this is the passage that you had yesterday. Now it might look a little confusing at first, but I tried to break it down for you. Okay, so in the yellow right here, it says in both cultures. Right away, that's a clue letting us know that what comes next is the similarities between the two different things that we're looking at, which happen to be Greek and Roman cultures. So it says the people lived in areas with warm climates and wore similar clothing. Both societies, so here's another clue word, both, also produced great poets and artists. Okay, so I'm going to skip here really quick. So I'm going to go ahead what we just read. Warm climates, similar clothing, great poets, and great artists. Those are some of the things that we just read that the Greek and Roman cultures have in common. So now let's go back. It says, however, they do have some major differences. So that right there is letting us know, okay, what's coming next are going to be different things. So it says Greece was a series of small city-states. Rome, on the other hand, was a huge empire ruled by an emperor. So I have in purple, I have what we know about Greece. And then Rome, I have in orange. So if we would come over here, for the Greek side, I put series of small city-states. And then over here for the Roman, I put huge empire ruled by a governor. Okay. So then let's go back down here to the yellow. It says Greek buildings and Roman buildings were both grand. Okay. So that chunk of the sentence lets us know that both of sets of buildings were grand. So once again, if we come here, I went ahead and put in the middle grand buildings. Okay. That's something that they share. But when we come back here, it says, but Rome's were built using more advanced methods. Okay, so when we come back to our Venn diagram, I put buildings were built with advanced methods over here on the Roman side. But the opposite of like advanced methods would be something simple. Okay, so buildings were built with simple methods, nothing too crazy. So I went ahead and put that there. If you guys have any questions about this activity, please let me know.